shifter, park, race mode, neutral, drive, and sport. You got your brake and you got your pedal. You ready? That's what I thought. Let's go. My car a little dirty, don't mind that. But we back with another video. We back. I got good news for y'all. My fenders, ooh, my car is super dirty. My fenders are coming in. I got the estimated delivery date. I can't even say too much on that. You just follow along with the channel. You'll see those. These are probably the best fenders ever. Without a doubt, the best fenders. As y'all can see, I got my son in the back. If y'all want to see how hard it was to get him in, I'm gonna clip below. I did record it. Without further ado, let's get this cold start on. Oh wait. Whoops. You can't start you can't start your car if it's already on. So we're gonna get an inside cold start. Yeah, man, we about to run some errands. Me and my boy, he tagging along with me. Ain't that right? He said, yeah, that's right. I think we about to, yeah, it's not gonna do too much. We're gonna run a Target, Starbucks. That's probably it, to be honest. Ain't roll the windows up. It's kind of cold out there, I ain't gonna lie. How was that cold start? Josiah, how was the cold start? Thank you. He said it was good. But anyways, man, if you're new to the channel, this is a channel where we do car vlogs. This is a channel where we do car vlogs. And we also showcase some food. Today we not showcasing food, cause I'm shooting 2 videos today. And we're gonna showcase some food in the second video. This is just a little running errands video. Yeah, that's what I'm titled it. Running errands with my son. Without further ado though, let's get on this drive. Now I ain't gonna be doing too much on this drive because obviously I got a child in the car.
12 seconds later.
I cannot wait for my damn fenders. I don't know why. When you order something, well, when I order something, I want it the next day. I'm impatient. I'm sorry. That's why I really don't like ordering nothing. I'd rather just go pick it up, get it done. You know, just get it. Now you're ordering, you just waiting. I'm messaging them back and forth like, hey, you shipped it out? Yeah, shipped it out. Just the waiting game. I hope they come. I think they're supposed to come on Tuesday or Monday. I think no, Monday. It's the estimated delivery date. And Tuesday, since that's my work off day, I might get them put on Tuesday and do the video Tuesday. But who knows? Man, them things gonna look so sick on my car. I can't. Oh god damn. You alright back there? You just flew. Man, I need to fix that. How you holding up, Josiah? Thank you. Thank you. I think he likes my car. We passed this place again. We gotta try it. We gonna try it one day. We gonna try it. A1 dogs and burgers. I don't know what they, oh, I think they said Korean style corn dogs. We gotta try that. Cause if you know me, I don't like corn dogs. I don't like no dog wrap. I don't know what, I don't know why. But we gonna try that for the sake of the video. I think that's a cop behind me. It sure is. Say, go away, cop. He looked straight at my windows. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. I don't think this was the turn. It was. No, it wasn't. Should I park this far? Oh, you falling asleep on us? Josiah, wake up. Don't go to sleep. Oh my goodness, Josiah, you can't leave me by myself. He can't hang. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. Come on. Josiah. Oh man. Little bro can't hang. Passed out. We here. Josiah, wake up, we here. He can't hang, y'all. I guess it's just me. I guess I just gotta leave him in the car. Let me go get, You got something to tell the people? I think he said go. Oh, no, tell him. I forgot my phone and my camera, so I couldn't record no footage inside the Target. You know that same sheriff. Oh. Y'all, I feel like as a man, you get a 10-word Starbucks count. Anything after that, you. Hold on, yeah, is it? Alright, I think I'm good. Can I get a caramel ribbon crunch?
What size?
A large one.
Okay, a large caramel ribbon crunch. What else can I get for you?
That's it.
Alright, you can go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you. Alright, got my drink. And we can head back home. Hopefully this video was a quick video. I can tell it was gonna be a quick video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. It was interesting. I might load it up with memes. That's only cause, damn, this shit good. That's only cause we're shooting 2 videos. So I gotta drop him off. Remember we tried that place? If not, I'll put the video right here or something. However they do it. But yeah, this shit good as hell. Hopefully y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Oh, I gotta get my thumbnail, Josiah. Hold on. Alright, Josiah, I gotta get my thumbnail. Can you sit here for me? Oh, I got my hair. How is this color? You slide it. Oh no, you got it. Josiah. Hurry. Sit back a little bit. There you go. There you go. Gotta get my thumbnail. Wait, I can't stand on it.